2013年1月23日、ネバダ州、ラスベガスで、警察官のハンズ・ウォルターズさんがかけた通報です。非常に悲しい内容であることを警告しておきます。まず、彼は、妻のミシェルさんと5歳の息子マックス君を銃で撃ったことを告白します。そして、これから、家ごと燃やし、自分も一緒に死のうと思っており、それを止めようとする者には、発砲すると警告します。
911, what's the address of your emergency?
Hi, 1 Nevada.
Okay, and what phone number are you calling from? And what's the problem? Tell me exactly what happened.
My name is Hans Walters. I work for Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. I just shot and killed my son Max and my wife Michelle, and I killed her because she's in such chronic pain from her neck and back, and on more medicines and she's not going to survive. And we were both seeing a therapist and a psychologist in Boulder City. His name is Jay Summers. And I feel terrible for doing it.
Okay, and you...
Voice out. Please don't interrupt me, please.
Okay.
I've also set the house on fire, and if
209.
the fire department comes to my house, because there's a fire hydrant right in front of my house, I'm going to open fire on them. So I have to wait till the house is burning, and then I'm going to shoot myself. Okay? So
okay,
I don't ask me any questions. This is real. This isn't a joke. The fire alarms in the background is because I set the garage and the bedroom on fire. My wife's in the bedroom. I shot her in the head. My son, unfortunately, is in the living room watching Oswald, and I shot him in the head too. And forgive me for my sins. Please don't call back. Thank you.
通報を受けた警察が家に着くと彼は玄関前で待っていました。そして間もなく火のついた家の中に入っていき自身を銃で撃ち亡くなりました。彼がなぜこんなことをしてしまったのか詳しい真相はわからないまま事件の幕は閉じられました。